Alright, so I'm no cooking expert. I'm not a cooking expert, but I watched someone on YouTube who is, and it's Maangchi. She's a Korean YouTuber, and she makes delicious meals, and one of them was Korean style Mapo Tofu. I am going on my little journey to becoming a vegan. I went to the store on my rollerblades today. I forgot to buy vegetable oil. I mean, not vegetable oil, because I wrote down vegetable oil on my notes, but then I deleted it because I read a tweet that said vegetable oil was bad for you. But then I realized that what I was trying to write down was vegetable broth. I'm just gonna have to substitute it with water. I'm heating up my saucepan right here. I also cooked some quinoa earlier. I got all my vegetables chopped up, extra green onion for garnish, my tofu chopped up, sesame oil, and soy sauce. Gochujang, gochujang. This is like a slurry. My garlic, mushrooms, salt, pepper, coconut oil, and some hot pepper powder. It's hard to do this with one hand. For me, so I'm gonna add in some hot pepper powder. Too many vegetables. This is looking pretty damn good. If I do this for myself, I'm gonna add the rest of this. I'm gonna add 3. Oh my god, yes. I put some veggie broth in there, but I'm just gonna use water. I'm falling out. Who am I trying to feed with this? Just one person? Damn, I'm a fat ass. Add the sesame oil. I'll add a little bit. Okay, this is super hot, but I'm just gonna give it a taste. Itadakimasu. Oh my god. I'm gonna plate this up properly with my quinoa. Ooh, mama. That looks so good. Okay, and then gotta add a little bit of garnish. Here is my lovely bowl of food. If you want to see a more professional video of someone cooking this, please, I'll have the link down below. And if you end up trying this dish yourself, then yeah, let me know how it goes for you. And cheers to being vegan. Love you. Peace out.